All right, so we're going to talk about rationalizing denominators. We're not really going to do a lot of testing on this, but I'm just going to show you how to do it anyway. This is bad. Okay, this is bad. We do not ever want a square root as a denominator. So what we got to do is we got to get rid of it. Well, what's going to turn the square root of 7 into a regular number? The square root of 7. Okay, and then if you want to keep the fraction intact, you got to take both the bottom and the top times the same thing. This is no different than if we had like 1 over 1.5. Okay, that's bad. You don't want a decimal on the bottom. So if you double that really quick and you double the top, it's going to look a little prettier. Okay, 1 over 1.5 is actually 2/3. Okay, those are the same fractions. So if you take the top and bottom times the same number, you're not changing the value, you're just changing the prettiness of it. And this is not pretty. We don't want radicals on the bottom. So whatever the radical is, multiply the top and the bottom by it. Okay, so that's actually going to be really easy. So the top is going to be square root of 21. How did I do that? 3 times 7, bruh. And then 7 times 7 is, well, 7. There you go, done. Okay, that looks better according to most mathematicians. Okay, this right here, yeah, not very pretty. This right here looks a little bit better. Okay, the next one is basically the same thing, just looks a little more complicated. So here we go. Take u times the square root of 8n. I'm going to take u times the square root of 8n. So the bottom denominator is going to be 8n. Okay. Then I got to mix the 7 and the 8. I'm going to make the square root of 7 times 8, which is 56n. Uh-oh. I think I can rewrite that. Yes, I can. I think I did it on the previous page. Hey, lucky me. Good job. So the square root of 56 is actually 2 square roots of 14. So you need to rewrite it if you can. Right? So I'm just simplifying the top. Oop, where am I at here? Ah, there we go. So if I come back around down here, the square root of 56n is actually going to be 2 square roots of 14n over 8n. Okay? What can I do to make this even prettier? Well, 2 over 8 can actually be simplified as a fraction. That actually would simplify to 1 over 4. So the overall final best way would be the square root of 14n over 4. Okay? Gross, right? We're not going to do it. We're not really going to do a lot of those, but I just want to show you that process. Anyway, it's no different than just making fractions pretty with our radical skills. Okay, that's really I like to say that, our radical skills. Nice. I'm going to give you all radical skills literally in chapter 10. So, all right, that's all I got. Peace out, friends.